Hey, I know 403 is having some trouble hearing, man. Can you let them know to get on the key and make some noise, man? I can get all you guys out there to make some noise.
Oh, you want to make some noise? Oh, yeah. No, we're all game for that, man. Absolutely look for it. Make a little bit of noise out here in this Dayton Valley, Roger.
Oh no, I can make some noise out here in the hood, out of Mount House, yeah. I'm making some noise. Looking for me.
Yeah, let's make some noise. Hello, come in. Audio, audio, check, 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 check. Holy shit, hello, audio, breaker, breaker. Hello, come in, audio. That rock, I got some shit going already. The clouds, man, the 403 owns the clouds, they just came down on me. Nice job, bud. 403 is done tuning up the band. No kidding, man. That was awesome.
Hey, would I possibly be able to get a 403 and a 191 key up at the same time? I wanna see what I hear over this way.
Yeah, I don't know, man. You know, that damn 191 fucking running around with a goddamn base station in his damn mobile. And I really need to step up my game, Jen. I've got her. Let's see, where am I? I'm on the south end. Yeah. Now, 403, there's no way. That guy he just pulled the clouds down over this mobile. I can tell you that right now. Oh, no. You know what, man? You always got me beat. You know, I gotta, I really need to step up my game, you know? I gotta put in extra work after hours.
All right, gentlemen, on the count of three, come on, just humor me on the count of three. Key it down. 1, 2, 3. All right, gentlemen, you both did a superb job. I'm sure you'll hear it at some point. You guys both did a really good job. I appreciate that. That was a lot of fun.
Well, we appreciate you recording it, man. We look forward to this kind of stuff, man. Won't be able to do it for long, because once he gets that mobile put together, shit, I won't guarantee up with that.
Yeah, you better watch out. That guy's gonna key up. He's gonna roll up with his headlights off, all sneaky like, and key up and blow your amp up. How about that Bigfoot? Can we get you on the key as well? Well, hey, Bigfoot, let's get a Bigfoot and a 191. Ready on the count of three. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, one more. Let's do a Bigfoot and a 403. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I guess that one's not going to happen.
What's that?
Oh, I said let's get a Bigfoot and a 403 going.
I'll copy that.
Well, hey guys, thanks a lot, man. It's been fun. 191-403 Bigfoot. You guys are always great to talk to out there, man. The big strappers of Dayton and Mountain House, no doubt about it.
Yeah, well, you know, we appreciate that too, man. I know you gotta go through and download everything, but man, it's just a kick in the ass. There is no doubt about it, man. We do appreciate it on your end too, 302.
You just wait, my friend. Oh my God, you just wait.
I'm getting across the street, and I think I'm getting around the block. Yeah, that's possible now. I sure hope so. Got enough money tied up in this goddamn thing.
You hardly have any money in there. I'm going to tell you something, 191. Please listen to me, please. Wherever you have that at right now, don't touch a damn thing. Don't touch anything, dude. Leave that alone. That thing is, my goodness. It is blowing smoke. Don't touch anything.
I'm just gonna look at the red light now. I just look at that guy. I wish I could have ran that cop here now and push this thing a little harder, but you know what? I just wish there's a little stock radio.
And 403, if you can hear me out there, dude, I cannot wait until you get what you got coming, man. I cannot wait until you get that sucker put in. And, you know, I know you're the best at what you do there at your shop, but if you need any help with the electrical side of it, dude, just give me a holler, man. I have no problem helping you out. I don't know if he heard me, 191, but if he didn't, you can go ahead and pass that along if you don't mind.